Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down to record a video and your mind just went blank? You know you've got decades of experience, stories, hard-earned lessons, but when the camera turns on, it feels like it all evaporates. Or worse, you start talking, and halfway through you realize you're rambling. Here's the uncomfortable truth. For most creators over 50, the problem isn't intelligence, it isn't experience, it isn't even confidence, it's structure. And structure is what removes overwhelm. Now what if I told you there's a tool that doesn't replace your thinking, but sharpens it? A tool that doesn't steal your voice, but organizes it. That's how I use ChatGPT. Not as a gimmick, not as a shortcut, not as a robot writer. I use it as a thinking partner. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it fits into a systems-based YouTube strategy, the kind that rewards clarity over hustle. Hi there. My name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50+ to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. Not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video comments to learn how. By the end of this, you'll see how ChatGPT can turn scattered ideas into structured videos, and structured videos into consistent growth. 1. First, what ChatGPT is, and what it isn't. Let's clear something up immediately. ChatGPT is not here to do YouTube for you. If you expect it to magically build a channel while you sit back, you'll be disappointed. What it does, exceptionally well, is organize thinking. And for creators over 50, that's gold. Because you're not short on ideas. You're short on time, mental energy, patience for chaos. ChatGPT removes chaos. It gives your ideas shape. Think of it as a whiteboard that talks back. You bring rough thoughts. It helps you arrange them. You bring experience. It helps you present it. That distinction matters. 2. It solves the blank screen problem. The hardest part of YouTube isn't editing. It isn't thumbnails. It isn't even the algorithm. It's the blank screen. That moment when you sit down and think, what exactly am I saying here? With ChatGPT, I never start from zero. I'll type something simple like, I want to explain why hustle fails on YouTube for people over 50. That's it. From there, I can ask, give me 3 hooks, outline a clear structure, turn this into a persuasive intro, expand this into 5 key talking points. Suddenly, I'm not staring at nothing. I'm refining something. That shift, from zero to starting point, removes friction. And friction is what kills consistency. 3. It builds structure, and structure builds confidence. Most struggling YouTube videos fail because they wander. They don't have shape. Strong videos follow a rhythm: hook, problem, promise, framework, reinforcement, call to action. ChatGPT excels at building frameworks. If I give it a messy transcript, I can say, restructure this so it flows logically, or strengthen transitions between sections, or condense repetition but keep authority. Now, instead of rambling for 18 minutes, I have a clear path. And when you know where you're going, you speak differently. You're calmer, more deliberate, more persuasive. Structure doesn't just improve the video, it improves you on camera. 4. It sharpens your message. Let's be honest, when we talk naturally, we repeat ourselves. We circle back. We over-explain because we want to be understood. ChatGPT trims that excess. But more importantly, it strengthens impact. I might say, rewrite this with more conviction, or make this sound more benefit-driven, or turn this explanation into a short story. Now the content has texture. Instead of, systems are important, it becomes, imagine building a house without a blueprint. That's hustle. Systems are the blueprint. That's the difference between information and persuasion is what keeps people watching. 5. It expands ideas into series. This is where it becomes strategic. You might have one good idea. ChatGPT can help you unpack it into 20. Let's say your topic is why consistency beats motivation. From that single idea, you can extract the psychology of motivation decline, how routines protect against burnout, a 3-step system for consistency, common objections, case examples, analogies, mistakes beginners make. Suddenly, you don't have one video. You have a content roadmap. And when you're building a channel after 50, that matters. Because you're not trying to go viral. You're trying to build something steady, something sustainable. ChatGPT helps you think long-term instead of video to video. 6. It clarifies your audience. Here's something most small channels ignore: clarity about who you're talking to. When you speak to everyone, you connect with no one. With ChatGPT, you can pressure test your positioning. You can ask, what fears does a 58-year-old new YouTuber have? What objections stop them? What language resonates? What tone builds trust? Patterns emerge. And when patterns emerge, your messaging sharpens. Your titles become clearer. Your thumbnails become more direct. Your first 30 seconds become more intentional. That clarity sends stronger signals, not just to viewers, but to YouTube itself. 7. It becomes a repeatable system. Now we move from tool to system. I don't use ChatGPT randomly. I use it with repeatable prompts. For example, intro framework template, story expansion template, objection handling template, remove repetition but maintain length template, strengthen transitions template. Instead of starting from scratch every week, I run a system. And YouTube rewards consistency over intensity. When content creation becomes structured, it becomes sustainable. For creators over 50, sustainability is everything. We're not trying to grind 12 hours a day. We're building something measured and deliberate. ChatGPT supports that approach. 8. It builds on-camera confidence. This might be the most underestimated benefit. Confidence. When you know, your hook works, your structure flows, your transitions are intentional, your conclusion lands. You relax. And relaxed creators are compelling creators. Many over 50 creators worry, am I too slow? Am I rambling? Is this relevant? Using ChatGPT as a rehearsal partner removes doubt before recording. You test the logic first, then you press record. That confidence shows, and audiences feel it. 9. The limitations, because there are some. Let's stay grounded. ChatGPT does not replace life experience, personality, authentic stories, human warmth. If you feed it generic prompts, you'll get generic output. The power lies in partnership. You bring experience, perspective, depth. It brings organization, structure, refinement. You bring humanity. It brings polish. When those combine, the result feels intentional, not automated. And that's the key distinction. So here's the bottom line. ChatGPT is not about working faster. It's about thinking clearer. It removes friction between your ideas and your execution. For creators over 50, that's transformative. Because we're not chasing trends. We're building a system, a body of work, a channel that reflects decades of lived experience, presented with clarity and confidence. Our next video will introduce you to a program which will show you how to create your YouTube channel. If you're serious about building your channel with systems, not stress, I recommend you explore TubeMastery through the link below. Take the free training and make your determinations from there. If you are impressed, you may determine that the information about setting up your channel correctly is worth your investment. Don't rush, but don't delay endlessly either. The sooner you build with structure, the sooner YouTube starts working for you. And that's the shift that changes everything.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.